Hello friends, today we are focusing on a Leetcode question, add two numbers. So here in this question we are given two non-empty linked list representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in a reverse order and each of their node contains a single digit. So here we can see 2 and 5 they are in the ones places, 4 and 6 they are in the tens places, and 3 and 4 in the hundreds places. So here we need to add 2 and 5, then the resultant it will be 7, then again the carry is 0, so we would be adding 4 and 6, resultant is 10. 10 divided by 10 we have 0 and 1, 0 as remainder, 1 as carry. So here 0 would be in the node and 1 will be carry forwarded. Again 4 and 8 uh, 3 and 4 are there, so 3 and 4 we have 7, we have a carry which is 7 plus 1, we have a resultant of 8. So over here the carry comes to an end, also the linked lists also come to an end. So in this case we have a result of 708. So let's see how it will be how the approach should be. So in this case we would be using a dummy linked list. So we would be iterating through both the linked lists, each element, and comparing the values, adding the values, creating a carry and a remainder. So once this is done, so this loop it will be uh, running until we reach the shortest linked list. So once we reach the shortest linked list, then we would be iterating through the remaining parts of the linked list. So let's get started. I have a pre-written code over here. Let me explain over here. So here, as I mentioned, here I created a dummy linked list with a value -1. I am storing the reference in a result variable. We have a carry variable as 0. Initially the carry will be 0. Now let's iterate through the linked list. So here this condition it is there, while L1 not is equals to null and L2 not is equals to null. So num1 and num2 they are storing the values of L1 and L2. So here the sum it's num1 plus num2 plus carry percentage 10. So here we would be having the remainder. So what will be the remainder over here? And similarly carry num1 plus num2 plus carry by 10. So it will be carry forwarded, and we will be creating a temporary node. So this temporary node will have the sum as its value, and in the result.next we would be storing this reference to the temporary variable. So here it will be linked to this result linked list. Okay, now again we need to move forward as well. So here we would be using L1 is equals to L1 dot next, L2 is equals to L2 dot next, and we would be moving the result as well. So result is equals to result dot next. Now we need to handle the remaining linked lists as well. So there could be a scenario where linked list 2 came to an end. So we need to add the values with linked list 1. So similarly here, while L1 not is equals to null, we are checking it will iterate till we reach the end of linked list 1. So in case if it is terminated, this loop will not execute. Similarly we are storing num1 is equals to L1 dot val, sum is equals to num1 dot carry percentage 10, carry is equals to num1 plus carry by 10. Similarly a temporary variable storing the value of sum, then moving the linked list, result is equals to result dot next, L1 is equals to L1 dot next. So here same logic will go for linked list 2 as well. So in case linked list 1 came to an end and linked list 2 is still there, so this loop will be executing. So here same logic we have put, num2 is equals to L2 dot val, sum is equals to num2 dot carry percentage 10, carry is equals to num2 plus carry by 10, result dot next is equals to temp, L2 is equals to L2 dot next, result is equals to result dot next. But there is one scenario when there could be a carry in the last element, so that also we need to take care. So this is the corner case. So linked list node temp is equals to list node carry, and result dot next is equals to temp. We remember we have a example over where we had 2 4 3 5 6 4. So in place of 3, if we had 6, then we would have got a remainder as 1 and a quotient as 1 as well. So there would have been 4 nodes. So there would be 4 nodes. So this is for encountering those corner case scenarios. And now if we remember, we have dummy we had reference to -1 linked list. So over here we have a reference to -1 as value. So this was a temporary value, a dummy value. So that is the reason we are returning dummy.next, since we are storing the variables, the linked list values in the next variables of the dummy linked list. So let's see how it goes. Yep, it's done.